Welcome. In this video I will show you how to share location with friends and family on Apple Watch SE 3. First, open the app library by pressing the digital crown, and now in your app library you have to find the Find People app. Then open it by tapping on it. If it's the first time you open this application, you're gonna have to allow using your location for this application, and then find the contact with which you want to share your location. As you can see, some contacts can already see your location. You don't have to share your location with them, but this particular contact doesn't have my location, so I'm gonna share it with them by selecting their profile and then scrolling down to the very bottom of the list, and then just tap share my location. And now you can select one of these three options: either share it for 1 hour, share it until end of the day, or share it indefinitely. Let's share it for 1 hour, and whenever you want to stop sharing your location, just tap this tile in this menu. And that's how you can share your location with your friends and family on Apple Watch SE 3. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.